Guys, we're just walking the subway here, and we got the boy Nathan back here. You know, we got Bryson. You know, Subway Vlog Part 6 coming at you in a few hours. You know, dropping. We got this new house being built over here on my street.
Purge Gaming here, and we're back.
Bro, are we all just gonna do a video right now?
Yeah, we're back
I'm
with
done
the
restarting.
original 3, and we're back in Fort Mill.
We got it lit.
What's going up,
we
my-
just left the Flux house.
What's going on, guys? Fluxial here, and today we're gonna be talking about ogres. So basically, if you look back, there's a bunch of green lights. I think that's actually from Shrek. That could be possibly a leakage of radiation coming into the lights.
My camera quality
But what do you
Number
have over there? An
15.
iPhone 7?
It's actually bad.
What?
Is that a 7?
Yes.
Boy.
Don't roast me, okay?
What is it, a 7 Plus?
No.
Yeah, boy, I got that 7 Plus.
Boy, I got that
Sweat.
iPhone. Wait, what am I saying? I don't like Chrissy iPhone.
Wait, we need to ask for the meat sub, like, actually. I'm gonna ask
No.
for the meat sub when I go
But
in
we
there.
turn
gonna
left. Crust.
She's gonna say, what type of sub do you want? I'll just say meat sub. Like I did in the original vlog.
Boy.
This is probably gonna go up
tomorrow-
like a month later because I'm probably not gonna have any content on my channel from
You
the
already
time that I
know.
posted the actual Subway vlog.
So basically, tomorrow we're gonna have to find a spot to sit because you know we don't
I'm
have
getting like abused.
the Pelicans table.
Yeah, I know. Throwback to when this man got abused in Subway vlog part 5.
Bryson. Okay, so we're gonna have to find a place to eat instead of the tables, you know.
Oh, rip Pelicans, by the way, guys. Pelicans sort of died now.
Bro,
We
look
can,
at the sky. It's actually pretty nice on the camera.
Yes, we can film. You know, at
Green
that like
lights.
that
It's actually
crusty
kinda hot.
little like parking lot, Nathan, across from Pelicans, that we did in Subway Vlog
We
Part
should
3.
film
Yeah.
inside of Subway. We've actually never did that before. I filmed for like 5 seconds, but that was in the like,
But we should put our phones in our pocket and just like record the order.
like one of those cops.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, children.
If
1-800
somebody actually
die.
sees us, they're just like,
Oh, remember
Just
we
3
gotta
kids
yell.
walking in
we
a
gotta yell
triangle.
and say that we're gonna be famous like we did last time. Remember that,
Did
guys?
that come true? Because I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure that.
Well, so far I've gained like 100 subscribers since then.
I have 47.
You've gained like 20. Eric, you've gained 10.
Eric, you've gained 2.
I've gained about 5 actually.
Yeah, actually.
That's bad.
Well, I'm showing this to Valentina, so.
Well, I remember the original Subway vlog got
Yeah.
like 30 views overnight. It was pretty sweaty.
Look, there's a car coming.
Yeah, exactly. Rip, I want to get run over.
I like how we're all just like walking in a triangle. It's great.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the phone.
No, we should do.
No.
No, actually,
Bro, why do
Nathan,
we look retarded?
we should go to Oh, I know who that is. We should go to
Well, shut
my school locker room. We should just do the Halo theme song. You already know.
Stop. Boy, today in art class, Alex, one of his projects that he was presenting was he did the Halo ODST soundtrack, and this man was presenting it, and halfway through he asked him beforehand, he was like, can I play the song? I'm like, boy, so kids just start playing the song while he's
Boy.
trying to present his project. Man, can't even talk over the song. What is going on?
Do you even understand? On Wednesday, I was at youth group, and I was telling them that yes, I was telling them that Under Pressure by Logic was better.
You need
so,
this song.
So this kid
You're
started-
literally at
What? Better
church.
than what?
Then Under Pressure by David Bowie and
Oh yeah, obviously, and it's better than any
Oh.
other underground.
and the man starts playing it. And I'm like, you better turn that off. That's, not
Yeah, boy, why do you talk about Logic?
You
at
should have
church?
played the actual Under Pressure.
Boy, I was like, I listened to that. I mean, I listened to that clean radio edit. You know.
Boy, you know what we should do? We should do like real life, like IRL streaming or vlogging. No,
you know?
well, like streaming, yeah.
On Twitch, that's where people get like
Yeah.
ran over by cars.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you see that guy? He was like live streaming and he was like standing like next to a train. He was like pointing at it, but then got ran over by the train.
Why is man's character?
Who, mine?
Yeah.
It is? Dude, I remember one time my hair was like orange one time in the camera. It was so weird.
So we're almost at Subway, you know.
Boy, what is?
I'm
your
gonna
hair's just-
restart the video
It's
right
what?
here, you know.
I don't know. It's just
So
Don't
we'll
roast
see
me.
you guys there. Guys,
Like,
we're at
down
Subway
here.
now, and
Subway,
Yeah.
the comic.
Oh, the comic book shop is open.
it is open.
Let's
We'll
go.
check in there.
Boy, what are those hours?
We will
Well, it's open till 7. It's about to close.
Wait, what time is it?
We're gonna ask for the meat sub
Yeah,
and see what
we'll
they
see.
say.
I'll meet you
It
guys
is.
I'm actually gonna
inside.
ask
We're
to
back
tell
out
you
in the
how you
parking
call.
lot. Sadly,
with the
I wasn't
1-2.
able to film in Subway, or maybe I just got too lazy to. But yeah, you know.
Bro, look at me now.
R.I.P. Pelicans. That's the old Pelicans building. You see that?
Yeah.
Honestly, this is like the only Subway drive-thru I've ever seen in my life.
Really?
So, I've never seen any other ones.
Right now in video. No, we should tell it tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. We gotta save some content for tomorrow. Calm down.
Yeah.
Boy.
See me now.
This is Eric's Subway. Hey.
That was Pelicans. I
Yeah,
remember.
yeah.
I told
That's the same building.
Yes, I know,
I
Bryson.
thought they took down the building.
No.
Wait, why did Pelicans rip?
Boy, what is that noise?
They got a new
Rapists.
It's probably a train.
Didn't Pelicans...
Train chaser? Train chasers running behind the train with
Actually,
the
no,
turkey
train
on
would
his
be
head.
louder. Actually. There's a
Boy,
train
film the
track right
house.
there.
Why did you just film me the bottom of the stream?
Boy,
Boy, no
look
one
at that
wants to
good
see
quality.
Wait, what if
sidewalk
the head
content.
just popped out of that hole right there? What would you do?
Boy, I'd be scared.
Boy, that'd kind of be nuts. But I don't know.
You know, if a head just popped out, I would just like use the bat
Boy, what
system
if
real
they-
quick and just like stop time, you know?
I don't even know what that is, but
Uh-huh.
I know it's from Fallout. Is it what your pimp boy tastes like or tastes like?
I just
Well,
heard a
I'm thinking
noise
of
from in
something
there, you know?
hungry.
No, stop. I'm gonna have to edit this out.
Boy, there are actually mints in there.
Do you hear that?
Boy, it's a bird.
Boy, I remember the Herald.
Boy, it's the tarp making
Man, looking
noises.
like Tiffany.
What?
Boy, it's a cop.
What is
I'll be
that?
right back. We just got in trouble with the police back there.
Boy.
I'm just kidding.
Boy, are we gonna edit these tonight?
Yes, we are. You know, these got to be put up like soon, you know?
My wallet's from Fallout.
Wait, Bryson, or Eric. Well, I know
Yeah.
Bryson can't, but Eric,
Mm-hmm.
can your computer like download Apex?
My computer can, don't underestimate it.
I don't know.
I literally asked. He's like,
No.
Well, I mean,
It can barely download Google Chrome. Okay.
my computer can like barely run Undertale, so I'm just kidding.
Boy, you want to know how bad my computer is? That all of the space was taken up on the computer by just the software that it needed to run.
Yeah, I know.
That's how bad it is.
wait, looking like.
Well, last time I tried to say that, I like phrased it so badly. It was weird.
Boy. You know, we got these good, rich $2 million houses around here.
Okay, or yo, calm yourself.
We live in
I
an-
wasn't ready.
we live in an
I wasn't
estate
ready.
back
I
here.
wasn't ready.
Oh, you made me. It disappeared. Okay, be ready. Looking.
Alright. High five.
That's right. What is this man's doing?
Down syndrome.
Whoa, I'm gonna have to edit that out.
Oh my god. You're actually.
I thought that. I'm sorry.
Ow.
This kid just say ow.
It's an empty piece of plastic.
Ow. Well, you better pick that up. You can get like charged like
Boy,
$1,000 for littering.
Are you gonna need
know?
your pit boy to check your health? Man, films his
Oh.
wrist.
Did I tell you about the pimp boy?
The
Pimp boy? Boy,
Yes.
I didn't mean to hit
In
it. I just
Fallout
meant to
New
tap
Vegas.
It, but
Okay, so Nathan, you know how it's called a pit boy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, well, in Fallout New Vegas, because you know it's like in Las
In Ve-
Vegas,
yeah.
you can get like a gold, like diamond-studded pimp boy. That's like actually what it's called. It's great.
You could bring that into Vault 69 and just have a good time.
Did I explain what Vault 69 is? to
You've
you?
explained it 3 times, but explain it again for the vlog.
Yes, it's in that vault it has 999 women and 1 man. And then Vault 68 is like the different part. It has 999 men and 1 woman.
Well, it should have been 96 that had that.
Ow.
Ow!
Looking
Well, I need to
good.
check my health now.
Yep.
Boy, honestly, why? How come 96 isn't like a memed about number, but 69 is?
I don't know.
What about 96, huh?
Like it's the same as 69, pretty much.
Yeah, 96.
Well, it's because.
Wait, do you know if you flip 96 upside down, it's 69? No, I'm just kidding. It's 96.
Boy, if you flip it upside down,
If you flip it upside down, it's 96 still, isn't it?
No, it's
No,
not.
if you turn it all the way.
yeah,
Sorry.
you have to rotate it. You have to reflect it.
You have to rotate
You have
it
to reflect it.
180
Actually, just
degrees.
That's literally a reflection. Looking boy.
Boy, look at your
You
reflection.
clearly,
No, I'm just kidding.
you've clearly never taken geometry before.
I'm in geometry right now.
Same.
I'm doing better than him.
That's a lie.
I'm
That's not a
doing better
lie.
than both of you. I had an 89. That was my final grade.
Boy, are you like
Boy.
retarded or something?
What's
your grade?
Well, I'm gonna have to edit that out of the
Was
video.
a 90.
What a slant.
Boy, I'm actually gonna have to
Wait,
put like
let's check-
bleep sensors over these words.
What? Like what?
I don't
Look
know.
at these grades. 88, 90, 99, and IBA. Wait, IBA is so easy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've actually learned a lot. But it's so good.
Yeah, I've actually learned a lot from you,
I
Jared.
hate Google Docs now. It actually makes me
I know, Sam.
And Google Sheets. Oh, Google Sheets only goes to Z999. It's bad.
Yes.
Boy, freaking Microsoft Excel goes all the way to WZX and down to 300 million. I made it all the way down.
Boy.
Yeah, we did that too.
Did you do the cheat?
What do you mean?
Where you just press control down arrow?
No.
I did.
That's actually. Boy, Malik and I clicked the, like the button on the computer, or on the mouse, and then we just.
Wait, how long did that take?
Yeah, how long did
I mean, we weren't doing anything. We weren't that bad. Like the computer was doing.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's like.
Well, you gotta be vlogging. You gotta give your channel more content. You know, I'm trying to get this video up to
Honestly,
10
you
minutes.
haven't uploaded in 3 weeks.
So,
Yeah.
I'm saying this video is actually like, wait, 12 minutes right now? No.
Boy, we should name this one Subway Vlog 6 2 in 1 1 year special.
Okay. Boy, the Subway Vlog 1 year anniversary is gonna be a special on disc video set.
I'm actually like gonna make Subway Vlog movies for people to buy.
Yes.
Because
Could
my
you-
dad has discs and the disc cases.
I have like a ton of discs at my house we could use. Like, to be honest.
What are you doing?
I don't know what
just
man,
wanted to get to you.
man ran into me as well. What are
Exactly.
you doing?
I was just seeing what your reaction was going to be. And I was about to do it again because your reaction
You're
was
such a milf.
Whoa, I'm gonna have to edit that out of the video.
Definitely not a mom.
You don't have to be a milf.
I'm pretty sure you do.
Well, I'm gonna have to put some like
have
content
you seen
warning
that-
on this video, you know?
Have you seen that some kid in the upper lot has
Wait, go to the left of
has
the
a
street.
sticker on his truck that says MILF? Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely.
I'm like, boy.
Probably
Wait, what if
you.
this?
Send them as valid.
What if the car just stopped right now? What'd you do? What would you do if the car just stopped, Nathan?
What?
What would you do if that car just like stopped right next to us? Boy,
Guys, I'm pretty sure about to get hit.
we have
Can you
to.
calm down?
We have to vlog the run.
The car has the whole road.
Boy, the car is on.
Look at you.
Do you not see that?
Well, I'm gonna have to edit that out of the video as
car
well.
is being
Boy,
driven by
autism is
Alex.
good. Autism is the freaking best thing to happen to this world.
Exactly. What if we're
Okay,
actually
then.
autistic and the people that
Their
are
autism are actually normal.
yeah.
I don't know.
The things that make you go.
What? What's that?
Things that make you go.
Talking about
Bryson, for $10, will you go in and use that porta potty tomorrow morning?
no.
What?
I am not
Not what?
into.
Into what?
Bryson, would you go use that porta potty in the morning for $10?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't
Boy,
know
yeah,
if I can make a
easily.
deal
I
with
wasn't
you.
paying attention to your question. I was thinking about something
No.
else.
What are you thinking about?
Okay,
She can't hear.
But I'm gonna show
Can
this
you
person.
edit this part? Can you edit this part out? Like everything, like after I said autism was good. Please,
Oh, okay.
please.
I will.
Boy, what if we?
Where there's actually some good content in this video. I'm not gonna lie.
Boy, there's water in here.
Boy, does the
was a
sewer
sewer,
actually
dude.
have water? What?
Boy, let's lift it up.
No. I have
Wait,
one that
actually
has
drop
like an
it for a
actual
second.
handle.
You can't lift it up, Bryson.
I freaking lifted
Wait,
it up.
Bryson, there's an easier one to pick up over here if you want to
I
pick
can't
it
lift
up.
this one up.
That one is probably cemented.
I think
Boy, Nathan, your mom is gone. Nathan's mom is gone, confirmed
Boy, you wanna know
forever.
Alex and
Boy, man didn't even tell me.
Boy, I feel bad.
Where's
Your
this on the
mom
ground?
drove 2
Boy, what is
hours
this?
over here.
That's a freaking
Yeah, man, drove 2 hours and then drove back.
Boy, it's because our car was being Riri. My mom was like, we had to recharge the battery, but it's not dying, so we're just gonna keep using it. I'm like, okay.
Spent 2 hours on this flight.
Get on the left, dude. There's a car behind. Oh, my hand is getting numb from how much I've been holding the camera. You already know.
That's not good. Freak the club up. Boy, freak the club up.
Whoa. Oh, hey, that's my neighbor.
Really?
Oh.
Heartbreak.
Oh, yeah, that's where the sewer grate is if you want to do that tomorrow,
With the
you know?
B. I emphasize.
Would you go down there, Bryson?
Huh?
Would you go down that sewer thing right there?
What sort of thing?
It's like right there. If you want to go over there, you can.
Freak the club.
Did I tell you about on Christmas Day when I got an RC car and I drove it into the sewer? And I had to go down there and get it?
You did that?
Yeah.
Well, do you want to see my receipt? It says 1
Wait,
foot,
wait, wait.
1 foot long. This is upside down.
Keep that and like sell it on eBay, you know, like in the future.
You're honestly
Once
right.
It's famous, mate.
Boy, I should sell the money that I paid for it with.
Exactly.
Boy, freak the club up.
Freak the yeah. Pip it.
Boy, we gotta go in the
Boy,
bottom.
Where's Sierra?
I don't know.
Boy, they're actually
What?
Wait, they're both females, right?
I don't
any-
know.
They were actually.
Boy, what do you say? What?
She's fucking using bugs.
Yeah.
The Doges.
Okay, I will. Okay, so we're back at the house. You already know.
We gotta end the stuff
Well, we gotta walk up the stairs. Well, I'm gonna see my Tuppet boy.
What beat? Uh-oh, the beat is free.
She just comes running out.
Where's Tuppet boy?
down his mouth open.
Where's Tuppet boy? Tuppet boy. Tuppet boy. Tuppet boy, come here. Come here, Tuppet boy.
Wait, can we though?
No, like you actually cannot.
Oh man.
What?
Can we hook up the Xbox to this?
I was thinking about getting an HDMI to antenna cable so I could hook up my Xbox to the CRT. Okay, well this is gonna conclude the Subway vlog, my guys. We're coming out with
I'm
another
a
one
professional
tomorrow.
PC gamer.
Yeah, get ready for that. See you guys in the next one.